One of the most important things you need to do in the interview is to get the person to feel comfortable around you and to like you, because who wants to work with someone they don't like? A great way to do this is through giving sincere and honest compliments. So today's lesson is going to be how to compliment your interviewer without seeming like a brown-noser. Please take one moment to hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can be notified of when new videos come your way. This is a sample of my course for how to interview. More information about this will be below. There are 2 rules to follow when you're trying to compliment someone. One is find something you can compliment sincerely. People do not like insincere compliments. Number 2, be detailed with your compliments. This will make the biggest difference in the world, as you'll see here in the next slide. The best way to not seem like a brown-noser is to add detail to your compliments. Let's look at our not detailed compliment. I like your tie. All right, how does that make you feel if I said, I like your tie? Do you trust this compliment? Well, what about the detailed compliment of, I like how black your tie is? Do you trust this compliment more? You and everyone else is going to trust the second compliment better because it took more time and thought to say. Warning, do not compliment the person's physical features or something he doesn't have a choice over. It will seem brown-nosy, awkward, or maybe even both. Do compliment his decision or style. This will make it less awkward and less brown-nosy. As you can see in this example, we're going to compliment the man's choice in fashion. The not detailed version of this is, I like your shirt. A better version of a similar compliment is, I like how your handkerchief matches your shirt. With this detailed compliment, you mention 2 things in one short compliment, helping the interviewer see your attention to detail. This will also help them believe that you have the same attention to detail while you work for them. Here is another potential interviewer, this time a woman. Warning for men, if your interviewer is a woman, do not compliment her clothes or her appearance. She might think you are flirting with her, and that will not be good for your interview. But for the women out there in our audience, we're going to continue on with this example. So the not detailed compliment is, I like your bracelet. The detailed version of the compliment is, I like how the color of your bracelet goes with the color of your clothes. Here is an example of complimenting the stuff around a person. The non-detailed version of this is, I like your coffee cup. The detailed version is, I like the color of your coffee cup. It goes well with the color of your table. When giving the compliment, make sure the compliment makes sense. If you didn't mention why the coffee cup goes with the table, then it can be awkward for some people. Remember, when you compliment someone, make it sincere and make it detailed. Also note that you'll want to use the same level of detail when answering questions in your interview. Being in the habit of being detailed will help you with the compliments, will help you with the interviewing process, and it will help you leave a good impression for your interviewer. Your homework is to start complimenting people in your real life, even in your mother tongue. You will need to practice before your interview to be able to think of a compliment quickly. You will also want to start learning what compliments to say and what compliments not to say. Do you want to get your dream job, improve your English for interviews, or improve your other interviewing skills? Then check out my contact information in the description below.